Self-improvement is boring. Ito kasi ang dahilan kung bakit mas naging confident ako sa sarili ko mag-upload ng videos araw-araw dahil alam ko may value ang ginagawa ko. Yung araw-araw ka nagsushoot ng videos, gumagawa ng scripts at nag-i-edit para i-post, hindi rin siya biro lalo na kapag 12 hours ka sa trabaho and 2 hours sa biyahe kagaya ko. Ito rin ang dahilan kung bakit I'm committing to my dreams more than the doubts, focusing on what I can achieve, hindi sa mga bagay na pwede kong pagsisihan bandang huli. I become more productive and hindi na kompleto ang bawat araw ko kapag hindi ko siya nagagawa. So yeah, boring siya. Boring siya sa taong hindi priority ang self-improvement. Boring siya sa mga taong scroll lang ng scroll ang ginagawa instead to develop their personalities. But if you're that kind of person na looking for the answer on how to start your own journey, then this challenge might help you to become the better version of you. Hindi pa huli ang lahat, may kanya-kanya tayong tamang oras. You can also watch my video on how I started, failed, and learned more to avoid those mistakes. Manifest your goals, decide, and take action. Winning the process is the best approach. Walang ibang magpupush sa'yo kundi sarili mo lang. Yun lang. Again, this is day 49 of my self-improvement journey, day 7 of my monthly challenge, and day 11 of trying to reach 6-figure income a month. Peace. I'll see you guys tomorrow.